Recording.
We are recording.
When you're comfortable, raise it up. Make your head back with the
That makes me worried about the wires.
I think that we'll be alright if I stand there in my spot and tell you left or right which way you need to go.
I mean, I could go farther. Yes. Alright. Is that off?
This is unplug the battery. Do we need to? Will it hurt if we're charging? Can we charge it straight up from where it is? Here. That's like that. Just take the Delta off the tire. Unplug that cable. I just